Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on an iPhone photo. So let's get started. So let's start by opening up the Photos app itself and find our photos or videos for the matter. And we're going to find a photo that we like to go ahead and change the date and time. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one here, for example. Now once I select it, all you can do is just simply tap on these three dots up top here. Once you do that, it's going to give you the option to adjust date and time. So if I tap on that, it allows me to go ahead and change things like the dates. If I wanted to change the date, I can select it. I can also select the time here, period as well. And then I can also change the time zone if I like as well here to a different one. And once you're done, click on adjust. And now, as you can see here, date and the time has been changed for this photo just like that. And you can do the same exact thing for a video as well. So you're going to do the same process if you had a video like this one. So stop playing here, tap on the dots here, and then click on adjust date and time. And same exact thing. You can pick the date, the time as you like to choose, and click on adjust just like that, and it will change it right there. So that's how you can go ahead and change date and time on an iPhone photo or video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.